Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this is CorelDraw 2018, a new feature of the Symmetry tool, and I love it. I just learned a couple things tonight. I was playing around with it, and I've got a perfect circle, and I'm going to go to Object, create a new one. In this line, you just move it over, and it'll actually stick. Now, what I learned tonight is you could actually use your nudge distance to play with this line and nudge it over 2 inches. So you can do anything you want. Take this X and put it up to the quadrant, and then they'll all go around the circle. And odd numbers work the best. Let's go to 7. Now this is what I learned tonight that's really going to help. Take your Smart Fill tool, and normally you have to fill in every individual little space. Well, here, because you're still in that mode, it's going to create it for you. Click on that icon, break it apart, get rid of all your extra lines, take away, I'm going to right click my outline, and that is a cool, quick design. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.